Cherry Ann. Today, I'm gonna make some Pinoy style fried rice. So first, here are all the ingredients.
We have here 4 cups of cooked rice, oyster sauce, minced garlic, egg, minced onion, spring onion, carrots, and a can of corned beef.
So I'm gonna preheat the pan and put some oil. After a minute, put the minced garlic.
Garlic is very beneficial to our body. It contains enzyme called allicin that lowers blood cholesterol.
Then put the minced onion. Put carrots.
Carrots are very rich in beta-carotene for good eyesight.
After a moment, we can put our corned beef. Then add the rice while stirring.
Don't you know that rice contains a lot of carbohydrates that give our bodies the energy we need?
Now we can put our oyster sauce. Let's put the egg. Make a well and put the egg.
Egg contains vitamin D and protein that are ideal for growth and development.
After 5 minutes, our Pinoy style fried rice is ready to serve. We can now transfer it into our mixing bowl. Garnish it with spring onion. We can also put egg as topping. So here's our Pinoy style fried rice.